Good morning friends, welcome to you in Healthy Lifestyle channel. Special video of today is about International Yoga Day 2025, which are the 6 refreshing unique ideas to celebrate meaningfully and mindfully we can enjoy this day. First, International Yoga Day 2025. International Yoga Day, celebrated every year on June 21st, is a global reminder of the benefits of yoga on the mind, body, and soul. Whenever you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, here are the meaningful and refreshing ways to celebrate Yoga Day this year. Second, attend a sunrise yoga session. Start your day with peace and positivity. Join a local community or online yoga class that begins at sunrise. Practicing yoga in the early hours helps to set a calm tone for the day, enhance focus, and connects you with nature's rhythm. Third, host a group yoga event. Bring people together through yoga. Organize a group yoga session at your community center, park, or even workplace. Practicing together strengthens bonds, spreads awareness, and motivates others to join the wellness movement. Fourth, try a new style of yoga. Explore beyond your comfort zone from Hatha and Ashtanga to Kundalini or Yin Yoga. Try a new style that you haven't practiced before. It is not only enhance flexibility but also opens new dimension of physical and mental strength. Fifth, participate in a yoga challenge. Stay consistent and accountable. Many online platforms and influencers launch Yoga Day themed challenges. Join one to commit to daily practice, improve your skills, and track your progress over time. Sixth, practice mindfulness and meditation. Enhance your mental well being. Yoga is not just about movement, it is also about stillness. Dedicate time to guide or silent meditation to calm the mind, reduce stress, and build self awareness. Thank you, friends. Do like and share and subscribe my Healthy Lifestyle channel. Friends, please do yoga in this special day and make yourself happy and healthy. Thank you for your support.